It's the fact that no matter what you're buying, your first impression of that product is when it's hands-on, and assembly is a big part of that.
That first hurdle of assembly is so huge that if we can overcome that as part of our sales process, I know that we can connect with that customer and make the sale that much easier.
To have an assembly process like BILT that will detail out every single step, I think gives strong reassurance that this product is something that I can trust.
Because a lot of products will make a product and they just want to hit that sale. And they don't care that you're sitting with a bunch of parts and a confusing leaflet that's 33 steps and it's going to take you all day. When they see that we have this feature, they know that we're on their side. We're helping them with the process, and that gives them the confidence in the product and the company to purchase from us. We saw an opportunity to make it easier for the customer to interface with our product, especially at the very beginning, when they're excited for the difference and the change. That was a game changer for us. I think when they see that we have a feature like BILT, they know we have their back.